fam! Welcome back to our channel. This is Miss A, your classy beauty savvy, and today we are going to bake another goodie. So we will try to bake cupcakes today using this kind of mixture. So let me show you the ingredients. So gagamitin natin tong Loretta confetti cake mix. So I got this few grocery hauls back, and ito yung preparation for instructions. Very easy lang as always. Ready mix na to, so all you just need are a few ingredients. So yan, that will be the main ingredient. Then we have the mixer, of course. We have the mixing bowl, and we also need to prepare our cupcake molds. Yan, I got this from Unitop, and of course some eggs. So nire-require lang tayo ng 2 eggs, so we are going to use those, right? And of course we need some cupcake liners. So yan, ito yung mga nabili ko pa to last haul. I don't know when pa, December pa ata. So we're going to try it for the first time today. If you want to know how I did it, please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, guys, for any videos about lifestyle, personal finance, planning, and budgeting. So now I'm opening this Loretta box para makuha na natin yung mixture. So this is it. Hindi nyo na masyadong makita yung specs, pero confetti kasi siya na mixture. So, may mga makukulay dyan na specs dun sa mismong mixture. It's just too bright. I'm so sorry. Ayan. So, we will just transfer this mixture sa ating mixing bowl. Next step, you will be needing the half cup ng water. Ito naman yung next ingredient, and then for the next step, we will be mixing it sa ating dry ingredient. And then we will also be including the eggs. So I also have a little helper again. It's my beautiful pamangkin, K-Bear. So she's interested sa baking with tita. So tutulungan natin siyang mag-bake din kahit paano makatulong siya. And of course, it's one great way for the kids to learn how to bake, how to cook, and how to be helpful. Yan. So, I'm just helping her how to crack the egg kasi natatakot pa siyang mag-crack ng egg. And of course, I'll help her out sa paglagay ng egg sa ating mixture. Then, we'll be needing 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Wala kami nun. So, ito yata ay isang palm oil, yon. So we're just going to use it. Apat yung ginawa ko kasi half teaspoon lang yung meron tayo. So, tablespoon or teaspoon? I'm so sorry, parang tablespoon ata. Alright, so ayun. Now we're going to mix it all up using our mixer. Ate K-Bear would like to try mixing then. So, ayan, I'm just assisting her, mommies, titas. So, if you have, titos, if you have pamangkin na very curious kasi nasa stage na siya na talagang sobrang interested siya sa mga bagay na bagong ginagawa. So, yan, let them help, let them explore. Medyo nakaka-stress lang minsan, pero it's fun to work with kids. So let's enjoy mixing it for 3 minutes. So here's time lapse for that, or let's just speed it up. Okay, now that it's all done, it's time to get the cake liners or cupcake liners. Ito yon, and then we will just place it sa ating cupcake mold. So again, let your helpers, little helpers, help you in this fun activity. So ako na-enjoy ko to kasi I can do other things while yung pamangkin ko ang isa-isang nagtatanggal nitong cake liner dito sa lalagyan niya. So it's fun. Yan, amazing job si Ate K-Bear. Now, again, another tip, pakilayo ang electric fan kasi nakikita nyo naman, patuloy na lumilipad yung mga cake liners natin. So, nakakairita yon. Ilayo natin ang electric fan habang naglalagay na tayo ng mixture or batter doon sa ating cupcake holder and cupcake liner. Ayan. So, let's speed it up. Another newbie mistake, rookie mistake. Ayan, medyo pinuno ko siya. So, alam niyo na, ang nangyari dito dahil umaalsa ang batter, 'di ba? So, mahusay, pero hindi ko na to ulitin ulit. So, yung second round nito, inayos ko na siya. But anyway, I'm just showing you this way I've done it. So let's put it in the oven. I-preheat natin ang oven ng 175 degrees Celsius and then let it bake. Ayan na po ang kinalabasan na umapaw siya. So let's not do it halfway na lang ang ilagay natin. Yan! It's time for decorating, my very favorite task. Ito talaga ang aking pinakahihintay sa lahat. So, ayan, I'm just figuring out what cupcake to use. And then, of course, let's start putting some icing. Ayan! So, ito yung mga favorite kong ginagawa eh. So, I'm just making little hearts, or sorry, flowers or star flowers. And then, pupunuin natin yan later. So, exciting! Enjoy watching! Naku, hindi pala ito na-focus, pero ito, I'm helping ate and trying to make or design this cake for her. Ayan, gusto daw niyang mag-decorate ito. So, this is again a little helper, Ate K-Bear. So, I'm just trying to help her squeeze those icing out and alam niyo na kung anong mangyayari. So, just helping her to fix it and ayan na. This is the second design. Collaboration with Ate K-Bear. And here you go, fam! This is it. This is our first ever cupcake na nagawa ko in history ng buhay ko. So I'm very proud to show you naman ang ating creation for this particular week. Sobrang exciting, sobrang saya. Dami ko pong hugasan after nito, opo. Pero sobrang na-fulfill niya po yung gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko, and that is to try making a cupcake. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed watching me make some rookie mistakes again and learning from it. And I can't wait to see you again on my next video. Enjoy! Let's eat!